Welcome back to Python programming. In this session, we'll discuss about set. So we have already seen how to use a list, tuple, dictionary. Set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. So the meaning is like whenever you start adding the elements to a list, to a set, it will not be in the order, and so it's unindexed. And it won't allow duplicate values. Duplicate members are not allowed. And the symbol is like similar to a dictionary, that is the curly braces, or but is not a key value pair. It is a set of values. So that is what we will do. It is like a mathematical set. But I have not seen much set is being used as far as the program so far have written or used. But still we will understand how to use a set. So set. So it's unordered, unindexed. It won't allow duplicate values. Duplicate values are not allowed in a set. So let us take a set of even number set. Again, we will be using a curly braces here. Curly braces. So say 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8, comma 10. So we'll print it. Then we'll also print the type of it. So let's run this. Right. And then you cannot again use the append and all here. Let us use a append. Let us say even numbers dot append. Let us say I will append say 12. Let's see what happens to this. It says set object has no attribute append. So this is not allowed. But you can update dot update. And when you want to update, like you can pass a set like this. Say for example, say 12, 14, 16, and then again let me say 10. So then it will see like how do we get this updated. So system is taking some time to get it, but usually like we will be using a dictionary and a list when we are working with the data structures typically in Python. So list is like not exactly like an array, but it is like a dynamic array, and then it can take different values, right? So it can take different values as its item, like it can take int or string or anything it can take. But this list list is dynamic in nature, you need not to define the size of the list in the beginning. So that's what you can do. In case of the set, the duplicate values are not allowed, and even regular like append and all those things are not allowed. But what you can do is the update. So this is how you can define a set, and then you can start working on this. So hope you are able to understand this. So just to summarize the different data structures. So we have list, which is a collection which is ordered and changeable. It allows duplicate members. It is written with the square bracket. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Once you define it, you cannot change it. It allows duplicate members. Tuples are written with round brackets. So with the round brackets, you can write a tuple. Set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. So it is not ordered, and it is you cannot index it. You cannot find with the index, and no duplicate members are allowed. It is written with the curly braces set. Dictionary is a collection which is unordered. It is not ordered. It is changeable and indexed. It's changeable and indexed, and no duplicate members. Dictionaries are written with the curly braces, so they have the key and the values. So that's about the Python collection. So I have created many videos in this particular series. Python collection, very important aspect. So hope you are able to understand this. You can get back to us in case of any clarification or anything. So thanks for watching. See you with other interesting sessions.